So in 1849, thousands of men rushed to California to mine gold. Almost all of them went broke. But one guy who never touched a single ounce of gold made $1.5 million in today's money in 9 weeks. He didn't mine, he sold shovels. And right now, in the AI gold rush, 99% of the people making the exact same mistake those miners made in 1849. In this video, I am going to show you the exact pickaxe, the one thing you can build in 2026 that pay you while everyone else in exhausting themselves chasing gold isn't there. So directing note. So deliver the fast, no wasted words. So this is your okay. So let's begin. So let's rewind the gold rush story for a second. Because for the detailed matter, the man Samuel Brennan ran the only hardware store between San Francisco and the gold field. So he watched thousands of desperate miners walk past his shop every single day. So he did something simple. He bought every pickaxe, pen and shovel he could find and sold them at a massive markup to people who had no chunk of pie to money. So here's the lesson that applies directly to you right now in 2026. Your faster path to wealth isn't building AI, it's teaching AI implementation. What? Teaching AI implementation. So building the next AI app. Competing means competing with Hive, OpenAI, Google, and the thousands. So well-funded startups. So teaching people how to actually use AI, their business. That market is wide open and it's about to explode. So directing note. So let's move how you can build the second. But before I show you how to do this, I need to talk you out about the side hustle that you have probably already tried because I have tried them too. Dropshipping, social media management, flipping product, and these aren't business. They are a slot machine. So here's the flow nobody tells you about. Every one of these model depends on renting traffic from Meta or TikTok. You are not building an audience. So you are borrowing someone else and paying rent every single day. You want customer to slow up, and here's the result. The moment your ad budget runs out of the algorithm shift or your account gets flagged, the money doesn't slow down and it stops completely overnight. If that's happened to you, it's not because you failed, because the model was broken day by day. Understood or not? So so here's the real principle underneath all of this, and once you see it, you can't unseen it. Means location directed value. That's true for a coffee shop, a main street, and it's true for your business online. So a brilliant product with zero audience equal to zero sale. It doesn't matter how good what you are selling it. Means it should be know how good you are distributing it. So every single side hustle, courses, consulting, software, anything requires a non-negotiable ingredient, a properly traffic engine. Sometimes you own it doesn't disappear when a platform changes its rule. So the real question isn't what should I sell? Where do I build my storefront on it so that never standing in the desert? And that traffic engine already exists and it's free of cost and it's been sitting right in front of you. It is totally known as YouTube. So here's why this actually when ads don't, but build the audience first, then stake your business on the top. Look at the pyramid: courses, sales, consulting, sponsorship, affiliates. None of them matter until the foundation is built, and the foundation is your views. But here's the part people miss: YouTube videos are not expiring post like in Instagram story. They are evergreen asset. A video you uploaded today can bring you customer 3 years from now, and while you are asleep. And search driven views. So there are not scrolling mindlessly. Someone who searches how do I use AI for my accounting business already halfway to buying, and they are not cold traffic, they are qualified traffic. So okay, So, but I know what you are thinking. I don't have 10 to 15 hours to research, script, and edit a video every single week. And that used to be true. But in the past, making our one solid YouTube took 10 to 15 hours, but research, scripting, structuring, all of it. That's exactly why most people quit before they ever get good results. But right now, today, that entire bottleneck has been deleted. Decades of professional scripting expertise are compressed into a single prompt to Claude AI. What used to take an afternoon now to take a minute. So this result, the beginner barrier to entry has officially hit zero. There has never been a moment in history where starting a YouTube channel requires less skill and less time than right now. Okay, so what should you do? So once you build an audience, how do you actually turn it into money? There are three paths. Path 1, waiting room. This is inbound consulting. You make the content, and instead of you chasing client chases you, and they show up already convinced. Part 2, the asset game. You build something once, a course, a place of software, and you sell it forever. Build once and get paid forever. Part 3, the quit monopoly, high ticket, low volume. You don't need a million subscribers. You need just few qualified subscribers. And that third path leads directly into the number that's going to change how you think about success on YouTube. So this is the single most important slide in this entire video. So pay attention to here. One creator, 150 view per video, only 1500 total subscriber channel, most people would call a failure. That tiny channel closed a single contract of $106,000. Can you imagine? 1 million penny or 3 gold bar. Which one would you had rather heard? Views are pennies, but the right audience is gold. And stop chasing number. They makes you feel good, and start chasing the few people who are actually ready to pay you. So now here, how these actually compound over time, because most people give up right before the curve bend. Don't rely on the single viral video like lottery ticket. That's gambling, not building. Instead, add one new income stream every single quarter. AdSense first, then affiliate, the high ticket offer, assets, and stack on top. So years one looks forgettable, almost embarrassing. Honestly, you will probably want to quit. But year 5 breaks vertically. This is exactly why so many people quit at month 8 and right before the curve was about to bend in their failure. So here's exactly what I want you to do. Second to the video ends, and third 3 steps. So step 1, pick one niche you already have experience in. Don't invent expertise. Use what you already have. Step 2, open Claude AI right now and let it outline your very first script. Don't overthink it. Let the tool do the heavy lifting. Step 3, and this is the rule that matters most. Rule of 30. What is this? Do not quit before your 30 video, and not your 5th, not your 10th, no, your 30th. That's where the algorithm starts to trust you, and where you start to find your voice. Everyone who making money from YouTube now uploaded a bad first video, and the only difference between them is everyone quits, but they do not quit. So the AI gold rush is happening right now, whether you participate or not. But you can spend the next year mining, like chasing app idea, completing with $1 billion companies, burning ad money in a slot machine, or you can spend it doing what actually works, building an audience that own your traffic and selling the shovel. If this video helps you see the differently, hit like button and subscribe the channel, because next week I am breaking down how to script your very first video using Claude AI start to finish. And drop a comment. What niche are you thinking about starting it? And I will read every single one. So for such content, you can follow me and subscribe me. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.